Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to The Love Boat Seasons 1 through 3 DVD unboxing. This set's from 2020, but this series from 1977 to 1980. This is a 23 disc set. And it also has episodic promos on select episodes, Home and Family, The Love Boat, Come Aboard, Movie of the Week, The New Love Boat, ooh, and Home and Family, The Love Boat, We're Expecting You. So here we go. There's that. So here we go. Season 1, Volume 1, Disc 1. Season 1, Volume 2, or Volume 1, Disc 2, I should say. Season 1, Volume 1, Disc 3. And Season 1, Volume 2, Disc 1. So here we go. There's that. And let's see here. Season 1, Volume 2, Disc 2. Season 1, Volume 2, Disc 3. Season 1, Volume 2, Disc 4. And Season 2, Volume 1, Disc 1. These are basic looking DVDs, but you know, it works. So let's see here. Season 2, Disc 1, or Season 2, Volume 1, Disc 2. Season 2, Volume 1, Disc 3. Season 2, Volume 1, Disc 4. Season 2, Volume 2, Disc 1. Season 2, Volume 2, Disc 2. Season 2, Volume 2, Disc 3. Season 2, Volume 2, Disc 4. Season 3, Volume 1, Disc 1. What the hell? Surprised they're splitting up all these in volumes. What the hell? Alright. Season 3, Volume 1, Disc 2. Season 3, Volume 1, Disc 3. Season 3, Volume 1, Disc 4. Or Season 3, Volume 2, Disc 1. There we go. Season 3, Volume 2, Disc 2. Season 3, Volume 2, Disc... Volume 2, Disc 3. And last but not least, Season 3, Volume 2, Disc 4. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. And if I find the whole series, we'll unbox that too. Alright, love you guys. See you guys in the next video.